Fix in 5. Let's decode P0468. EVAP purge flow sensor circuit voltage high, fuel vapor canister purge. Causes, symptoms, the fix, and what it costs. You can keep driving, for now. For now, is doing a lot of work there. First, the symptoms. Check engine light illuminated, slight increase in fuel consumption, possible rough idle or hesitation during acceleration, no noticeable drivability issues in most cases. Now the most likely causes. Faulty EVAP purge flow sensor. Defective purge valve solenoid. Wiring short to voltage in purge control circuit. Canister purge control valve mechanical failure. PCM/ECU purge control module malfunction. What does it cost? Roughly €45, $120 doing it yourself, or €165, $240 at a workshop. Rates vary by country. How to fix it. Replace EVAP purge flow sensor. Replace purge valve solenoid assembly. Repair wiring harness or connectors in purge control circuit. Replace fuel vapor canister if damaged. The scanner and parts I'd use are linked below. How common is it? Reported on 0 models. People also ask. Will P0468 cause my vehicle to fail an emissions test? Yes, an active P0468 fault code will typically cause your vehicle to fail an emissions or smog test, as it triggers the check engine light and indicates a monitored system failure. Quick one for the professionals. TroubleAtlas Pro is your whole workshop in one app. Get cited by AI when drivers nearby look for a pro, fast fault code diagnosis, full vehicle data from the VN, parts and tire prices, and client management with PDF quotes. And one for the manufacturers. Make a device. Put it to the test. TroubleAtlas runs an independent evaluation on a fixed, public protocol, gives it an honest score out of 10, and an official seal you can license for your own marketing. We test the product, we never sell the score. And every certificate is verifiable on our site. Apply at TroubleAtlas.com/TroubleAtlas certified. That's P0468. The full guide and every related code are on TroubleAtlas, links below. Subscribe, new fixes every week, and keep your dashboard quiet.